Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to diagnosing your PC. To start, press Start and open Settings. Here in the System section, click on Recovery. In the Advanced Startup section, click Restart Now. Confirm this to access Windows Advanced Startup. When this mode loads, click on Troubleshoot, then on Advanced Options, and then click on Startup Repair. You can see that a PC diagnosis starts. Wait for this to complete. When finished, you will click on Advanced Options. After that, click on Troubleshooting again, then on Advanced Options, and this time choose Command Prompt. Here, run the cd config command, hit Enter. After this, create a directory called Backup with the command md backup. Now copy the content to the directory. To do this, execute copy **** backup. After that, use the on-screen command to access that folder. List its content with dr. Then, if possible, create a backup. Run copy **** space ... Finally, with the exit command, you can exit the console. Click Continue to log into the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.